Thank you everyone that participated. Thank you for being here. We all love you. Kramer loves you. Thank you for your love of him.
So we're going to play a song right now. The last time Kramer saw us play, the last song we played at that show, he came up on stage with us and rocked out on some air guitar. And it was the only time he ever did that. And he told us he wished he could be with us on stage every single time we play, and now he can't be. So we're going to play this one and think of him.
Wish you ever was here.
Beautiful event. The freaky course? I want the freaky course.
The red one? The red is the most freaky, I agree.
That's the most freaky. That's also...
25 seconds.